Welcome to another video. I apologize I haven't made a video yet, but today will be another start to another how-to video. And today I am teaching you guys how to make fried rice. Alright guys, so first I will be starting with the onion. But before I do that, I usually cut it in half. This part, cut this in half. Cutting an onion or cutting any of these next few things, I would recommend having an adult to do this for you because you don't want to cut yourself. Alright, so I'm gonna just pick one of these. I'm gonna pick this one. We can keep this out just so you can wrap this up in the refrigerator. Alright, we can use that later. So for now, we're just gonna use this onion. I'm gonna take out this like outer layer of skin. You might have to use a knife to get some help. And then you throw this outer layer into the trash can. Pull that off, right. For today, I will be using both onion halves because, you know, why not? So I can show you guys how to do it. So after you take out this onion layer, you throw these into your trash can. Alright. So first I will be cutting off the edges because I wouldn't want to eat those parts. Now I will be, if you see all these lines, I'll be cutting there. And like this last piece, I'll just start cutting it. Because since there's lines there, it's practically already cut for you. So I'm just gonna cut it into smaller pieces.
This. Also cut into smaller pieces. Sorry, I'm like so unorganized. You can stack these on top of each other and then cut them. Just watch out cutting these. Don't have your fingers like this or else I'm gonna cut it. So how my dad taught me how to cut it, just have your hand like this. So you have like you have somewhere to follow cutting. So like that. So just go like that. So I'm gonna keep cutting all these onions. So right now I'm just preparing all the ingredients. So when I cook, it's much easier. So I'm not running around the kitchen trying to grab things. This is so unorganized. So like you can kind of tell where everything is and which one isn't cut and which one is cut. I would recommend cutting smaller pieces, but not too.
Sorry. Alright, so now I'm just gonna put this there for now. Just gonna grab some of these onions. Don't worry, my hands are clean. I washed them a second ago. Throw them all in there. Like there's some of these pieces where you don't need, so put that in there. So it's gonna throw the onion in there. Just gonna put it off the table and then do it. Alright. You can break all these little like this. You have to cut it one more time. Alright, I'm just gonna cut the other one, and yeah, I'm gonna go on time lapse. Alright, so now I got my onions all cut and stuff. I can grab any other material that I want inside my rice, like bacon or ham. Usually I have ham, but since I don't have ham, I will be having bacon inside of it. So let's go get the bacon. Alright, so now we'll be adding the bacon. So first I'll be starting with the plate. I'll grab 2 pieces of paper, right there, and then I will be adding some bacon on here. So 1 bacon right there, several pieces of bacon there and there. I'll add 1 more just for fun. Or 2 more since these are connected. Alright, so now you'll just cover this together, put it in the center of the plate, and microwave it for 15 seconds. And then if that's not enough, feel it to see if it's nice and warm, and then take it out whenever you want. So let's go put this in the microwave. Alright, so now the bacon is out of the microwave, and now just pat it down. So I had it in there for 15 seconds. I felt it was okay, so I put it back in there. But this time I had it in there. The second time I had it in there for 5 seconds, so ended up I had it in there for like 20 seconds, which is totally fine. So yeah, there's the bacon, and now we'll just have to put it on the cutting board. Boom. Alright, so now we'll just take the bacon, flip it over. It's really greasy, as you can tell. Alright, so it's gonna have it over the paper. You know, before you flip it, just have it on the piece of paper, so you can just cut it on there. That would have been a little bit smarter. Not really, but like, you know, whatever will work. Yeah, actually, no, keep it off the paper. Alright, so just put that there, and just cut it. Ooh. You guys can put like any type of vegetables or meat inside if you whatever you want. Just prepare it, you know, so it's easier for you. So now just put in the bowl. There you go. There's your bacon. Now I would recommend going to wash your hands because now your hands are really greasy. So we'll go do that. Alright, so now all you have to do is grab the amount of egg that you want inside your fried rice and put them all in a bowl. Depends if you want to make it scrambled or not scrambled. So let's go do that. Alright, so after you got all the eggs, I will start cracking them into the bowl. So it's one egg. Alright, so you definitely get egg yolk on your hand, so I would go wash your hands again. So yeah, so let's just go wash our hands. So now it's really hot, so I'm gonna start putting the oil in. So some people would do this, they would cook the egg first, but I like to cook the egg with everything else because that's a little bit easier for me. So for starters, I will be throwing in the onion.
So mixing that in.
Now for the bacon. Yeah, we're just gonna go as healthy like this.
So as I say that, I'm going to turn it to medium high. It's not too hot. So the rice just finished cooking, and this is when you turn up the heat by a lot because it's like starting to smoke a lot, you can tell. So yeah, keep on mixing this until you're satisfied. Alright, now we'll start in the egg.
So you can just keep it cooking like that, or you can do what I like to do and just start like breaking the eggs and making it scrambled egg.
Get all around the pan. Get mixed into everything.
The rice actually always goes in last. That's how I cook it. So yeah, we're just gonna cook everything else for now. The rice is currently hot, so I will recommend depending on where you are. Where I am right now, I would start to turn down the fire because remember, it'll still be cooking. And
Well, actually, just give it a second for it also in. Then I can start mixing it all up. So. Alright, keep stirring all the stuff inside your pan. I will start turning down the fire because, yeah, it's actually starting to cook the rice. This gives it a good taste, though. Yeah. And there is the fish smell. It smells great. Grab out the soy sauce, and I would open it up. Pour it on top of the spatula, so you can like, even it all out. I mean, if you see here, there's a lot right there, so you'll just have to keep stirring it. I was gonna
skip the plates out, and I will just enjoy this. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to just hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you guys want more how to cook something video, tell me, comment down below, and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.